Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to PoliGrill. Today I am showing tastier, healthier breakfast grilled sandwich. I am showing two variations: chicken grilled sandwich, veg grilled sandwich. I have already boiled the chicken. Put 1 teaspoon oil or butter. Now saute this chicken just a little. Add little salt and pepper. Motherly confession. Making any meal is never a problem. Making breakfast is never easy because you get very little time. Left margin of the morning is very short, just 15 to 20 minutes. If you make any mistake, no second chance to rectify. If it is not tasty, children will leave home leaving behind breakfast. So it is always challenging making healthier, tastier breakfast every day within very tiny dash. First, spread butter over the bread slices. Put corn dipped in bechamel sauce. Add chopped onion. Now put chicken. If you make veg grilled sandwich, skip adding this chicken. I am making these two veg grilled sandwich. Now add tomato slice. Add very little salt and pepper powder. Place cheese slice on top of it. Brush little butter on a plain slice and cover it. I have prepared all my sandwiches. It takes just 7 minutes. Now I will grill it. I have taken a grilling pan. You may also use gas toaster like this. Brush it with little melted butter. Now place this sandwich over it. Now flip other side. Look at my nice grilled sandwich. It's done. Just in 2 minutes. My tastier, healthier grilled sandwich is ready. Serve it with tomato ketchup, mint chutney, mayonnaise or anything you like. So friends, pardon my haste, I have to serve this breakfast. For more such breakfast recipes, do subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon. Have a good day. For making grilled sandwich, I need bread slice, cheese slice, sweet corn in bechamel sauce, onion, tomato, minced chicken, butter, pepper powder. If you make veg grilled sandwich, you skip minced chicken.